Hello guys, and we're going to unbox this monkey. Like it. Don't mind this sound. Sorry guys, I have to do it at a different. Don't mind the sound. Although my brother's watching Spider-Man. But AFK. Wait. Oh god. Sorry. Had to do some more.
Hello!
I'm going to unbox this video. Can you stop?
Move.
Just gonna.
Okay.
Stop. No! No!
Sorry.
I found it.
Oh god. Sorry. Yeah. Get up. Okay.
Wait.
Really? Okay.
Hey, wait.
No. Wait. Wait. This is my video.
It says here.
Over here.
Pull it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh no! I killed a monkey. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Hopefully they did not see my face.
I don't think they saw your face. Yeah, they did not see your face.
Okay. Because I'm going to do
It
some
says rabbit.
rabbit. What did you do?
I killed him.
Wait!
No.
It's my toy.
Now he became long. Now he became ugly. How do we fix him? He's big boss.
I don't know how to
Hey,
fix
yo.
it, man.
He became the Lorax.
The Lorex. Stop! I can't sit.
I can't sit.
Okay, now you can guys see, right? Let me just adjust the camera. Okay, sorry. Okay. I don't know. Can you guys teach me a way how to fix this guy? I don't know how.
I'm just gonna wait. I'm fixing him. Nope, I can't fix him.
You can't fix this man.
He's dead.
Is there a way to fix this guy? I'll just look at here. It says here. I can't. What is it? Okay.
You gotta pull it.
No. Man, it's only one use. It's only one use.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it's all over. Oh. Hopefully it didn't.
Yep, it's just...
Oh my god, it has gas.
Daddy, we skipped the
Isn't that what you are supposed to do?
Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do.
What's so weird?
Scott! Hey, yo! Daddy, look! Guys! He's got yacht.
Look. Look at the monkey.
Ade! Stop! I'm washing my hands.
Sorry, because of my little brother. Yeah. I can't. Oh.
I'm going to eat some fries and watch the Spider-Man movie.
Okay, sure.
Gonna wait for you till you fix it.
Yeah.
Nipple.
Yeah. This thing has got some yeah. Level 3 yeah.
Mama. Look, we're supposed to squish the mountain.
Okay. I'm not wearing my mask right now, so hopefully. Hello. Hello guys. I guess that's it. See my face. Okay, you can't see my face. Yeah. I'm going to fix this monkey. I'm going to look. Okay, monkey feet. It's absorbed for absolutely no reason. Can you guys tell me how do I? Okay, it kind of feels kind of uncomfortable. Stop eating fries. Stop eating curly fries. Give me some of that. No, give me some of that. No. Gorilla. Once gorilla. No.
Here.
No. Okay, thank you. Oh no, it's so.
Did you what? The old one.
Mama, I forgot the one.
Okay, done.
Mommy.
Okay.
Yay! Mommy.
Nee. Okay. Hopefully Mr. Exolado doesn't beat me up. Give me back my money. I said I'll give it back later. It's recording. I'm sorry.
Hey! What? Look, this theme song. And the popsicle. Maybe the popsicle.
But after everything, I still love Peach Spider-Man.
This is how you.
No matter how many hits I take,
Okay. I hit myself a lot.
only thing standing between this city and me.
Oh God.
You're looking at.
Mr. Exolado, is your fault. Not you being me. Sorry. I was just watching some on my Netflix. What? No way! Oh God! Level 3. This man has some good. Oh, there's some good. Oh my God! It's get. Subscribe for Monkey Will Haunt Your Dreams.